it was a really humbling experience for me to be standing in front of legends who have sung for more than 1,000, 5,000, I don't know, so many thousands of songs. I watched people, and if I had access to that instrument, तो मैं same जाके I would just try to replicate it, and that's how I learned instruments. Yes, this man can play the drums, the guitar, the keyboard, flute, saxophone, violin, ye wo, and all of that. I'm a musician. I'm someone who really wants to make some serious music, and I wanted to lighten the weight of my instruments, and that's how I made my third instrument that came up to a dry weight of 15 kilos. And currently, with all the gadgets, I use a few gadgets on it ताकि sound enhance होए, and that comes to about 20 kgs. डॉक्टर्स ने बोला कि आपका जो lungs है, फेफड़े है, वो 60% almost loss हो चुके हैं. तो अभी बाकी के 40% से आप क्या कर सकते हो? You will have to stay at home. You can't do much.
A warm welcome to all of you on the 77th episode of the Geet Dhaliwal show. आज जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ही खास हैं, बहुत ही स्पेशल हैं. सो बिफोर आई एड टुडेज गेस्ट इनटू आवर सेशन, सो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा आज के गेस्ट के बारे में बता देती हूँ. सो आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं उनका नाम है ग्लैडसन पीटर. जी हाँ, अगर आपने रिसेंटली कपिल शर्मा शो देखा होगा तो आपको डेफिनेटली उनके बारे में पता होगा. एंड इफ यू लाइक एक्टिव ऑन सोशल मीडिया, तो आपने काफी सोशल मीडिया पेजेस पे उनकी वीडियोस फ्लोट होते हुए देखे होंगे.
तो मैं आप सबकी जोरदार तालियों के बीच बुलाना चाहूंगा. प्लीज वेलकम ग्लैडसन पीटर. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी जरा भी ये दिल हो गया. वाओ पीटर, क्या बात.
ग्लैडसन पीटर बेसिकली एक मल्टी इंस्ट्रूमेंटलिस्ट हैं, काफी सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते हैं. इसके अलावा वो एक सिंगर हैं, सॉन्ग राइटर हैं एंड कंपोजर भी हैं. ही इज इंडियाज फर्स्ट वन मैन बैंड, राइट. सो वन मैन बैंड है, बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट खुद ही अकेले बजाते हैं. एंड more than 45 instruments उनको बजाने आते हैं, which is like huge. I even don't know one instrument and someone जिनको 45 instrument आते हैं. So I think अपने आप में बहुत ही talented personality है. And ग्लैडसन ने कोई भी formal training नहीं ली है इन instruments को सीखने की. That is the best part, right? And उनकी जो जर्नी है वो स्पेशल इसलिए भी है गाइज, बिकॉज उनको एक डिसीज हो गया था जिसमें उनकी लंग्स 50% डैमेज हो गई थी. बट उन्होंने उस चीज़ को भी पीछे करते हुए अपने पैशन को फॉलो किया. एंड रेस्ट इज यू ऑल हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोज. उनकी बहुत सारी वीडियोज आपने देखी होंगी, मैंने खुद अपने इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल पे शेयर की थी. So, मुझे उनकी जर्नी काफ़ी इंस्पायरिंग लगी. मैंने उनको देखा था जब ब्रूट इंडिया ने उनका एक वीडियो शेयर किया था. देन आई कम टू नो अबाउट ग्लैडसन की इस तरीके से वो ये ही इज इनटू दिस आर्ट फॉर्म. सो आई थिंक इट्स रियली इंस्पायरिंग. और आज हम उनको इस सेशन में ऐड करेंगे और बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. सो आप लोग सेशन में बने रहिए. ग्लैडसन के बारे में बताना चाहूंगी कि ग्लैडसन इंडियाज गॉट टैलेंट, कपिल शर्मा शो और बहुत सारे इवेंट्स में वो जा चुके हैं, शोज में वो जा चुके हैं. बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स भी उन्होंने किए हैं और वो एक टेडेक्स स्पीकर भी हैं. सो आई थिंक इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी रियली ग्रेट. आज हम ग्लैडसन पीटर को अपने लाइव सेशन में ऐड करेंगे, बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस उनसे पूछेंगे एंड इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी सुपर फन. सो विदाउट एनी डिले लेट मी ऐड आवर टुडेज गेस्ट इनटू दिस सेशन, दैट इज ग्लैडसन पीटर.
Hi, how are you?
Hi Peter, how are you?
Doing very well, thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here.
Great. And actually it's an honor कि आपने लाइव सेशन ज्वाइन किया है, because you are on social media like totally on these days. आप काफी सारे सोशल मीडिया पे छाए हुए हो. I have seen a lot of videos.
God's grace, really.
Great. So yes, Gladson, how are you doing? Like क्या हाल चाल है आपके? सबसे पहले तो यही क्वेश्चन है आपको.
Everything is really good. There are so many things happening around. कभी कभार ऐसे लगता है कि यार बस एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने के लिए बाहर जाऊं यार. लेकिन क्या होता है कि these projects are also so exciting that
Yes.
yeah, you just want to stick and do it.
ग्रेट ग्रेट
So it's going
एंड
good.
आपको जी तो ग्लैडसन आपको बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशंस क्योंकि रिसेंटली आप बहुत ही फेमस शो दैट इज कपिल शर्मा शो के ऊपर आपकी अपीयरेंस थी एंड व्हेन आई सॉ दैट वीडियो इट वाज रियली अमेजिंग एंड इट वाज रियली इंस्पायरिंग एक्चुअली.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So, Peter, I just want to ask my first question that how was the overall experience of being on such a great platform? इतने बड़े platform पे I saw there were so many great singers, इतने सारे महान वहाँ पे कलाकार और भी थे. So, how was the experience overall?
Uh, it was good to be back on set. Why I say back on set? This is my second time on Kapil Sharma show. पहले बार जो था वो एक acapella टीम में ट्रेन करता था कॉलेज के टाइम पे और
Okay.
हम कॉलेज के बाद हम थोड़े बहुत शोज करते थे तो उसमें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी था कि हम अक्षय कुमार का जो फिल्म था रुस्तम तो उसके उनके एंट्री के लिए हमने एक स्मॉल सेक्शन हमने परफॉर्म किया था एंड
Okay.
मुझे तभी ही पता था कि यार if you work hard no तो एक चीज we had seen at that time I told my team members also कि यार I don't think we really need to take pictures with all celebrities. हाँ क्यों क्योंकि हम अगर हार्ड वर्क करेंगे एंड इफ वी परसिवियर राइट शायद ये एक पिक्चर ना हो शायद you will be able to work with them once again. And this time when I went back on set those were the words the same words which came to my head कि यार शायद हमने काफी ज्यादा काम भी कर दिया उसके बाद मतलब 3-4 साल तो हो गए और हमने बहुत मेहनत की हमने बहुत परिचय की कि कुछ भी करके हम I know that this is going to happen and I did not know that the day is so close and हो गया हमको जब भी फोन आया था कि I thought कि they wanted me to sing and play उदित नारायण सर या कुमार सानू या अनुराधा पौडवाल जी के गीत हमको बजाने होंगे करके मैं सोचा था लेकिन we made a second call कि यार are these songs okay? They said नहीं कैसा है कि वो वही गेस्ट है हमारे तो you have to play along with them you know they will be there and you have to play your song and everything so to be very honest it was my privilege एक परफॉर्मेंस था मेरा वंदे मातरम जो शायद टीवी it didn't make it to TV but we had a good 15-20 minutes live session a very good show and all the celebrities they're really humble they're very hardworking I got to see कितना उन्होंने मेहनत किया है कितना उन्होंने अपना एफर्ट्स डाला है स्पेशली म्यूजिक के फील्ड में खैर मैंने तो I should be a little I don't know if I should say this but growing up I probably haven't heard their songs as much क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इंग्लिश गाना सुनता था but I did realize I did come across all of their music and it was a really humbling experience for me to be standing in front of legends who have sung for more than 1,000, 5,000, I don't know, so many thousands of songs. And हम बस अभी 5 साल हो गए हमारे जर्नी की शुरुआत and yeah, it was really a great honor. It was amazing.
Great. And I think Gladson, like as an artist, जब आपको बहुत और amazing artist हैं या आपसे बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे artist आपको appreciate करते हैं, motivate करते हैं, मुझे लगता है वो एक motivation अपने आप में अलग level का ही होता है. You feel somehow more responsible पहले से ज़्यादा.
100%. ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब एक साइड होता है कि हम थोड़ा नर्वस भी हो जाते हैं क्योंकि they are really they are at a position and we are just doing our best to get there but at the same time you have to realize कि जो time दिया जाता है people have already gauged you कि you are of something you are someone important and if you're nervous at that time, you might screw up. But how I like to look at it is, this is my one chance, this is my one last chance, and I'll do it my best. And wahi hua. I was very happy.
Great, great, wonderful. And even I saw your Brute India video as well. That was a really nice feature. बहुत ही अच्छे से उन्होंने cover किया था. And that's how I discovered you. That and then I searched on Google and on YouTube. Then I saw a lot of TED Talks and other videos as well.
Yeah.
So yes, you are doing amazing, and yeah, it feels really good, to know someone who is such a talented person, and you are into so many instruments. I could not even count these instruments, like so many instruments. So next is Gladson. I just want to ask because मैंने आपकी journey देख रही थी, where you shared that you were suffering from a disease called pleural effusion, right?
Yeah.
And जिसकी वजह से lungs damage हो गया था, and then you started. So just I want to know, because little flashback, that how it all happened and how you entered into this all these different talent को आपने pursue किया.
तो मैं खैर जब 3 साल था तभी से मैं बजा रहा हूँ म्यूजिक. आई हैव अ इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ म्यूजिक बिकॉज ऑफ चर्च. माय डैड इज अ पास्टर. तो हम we've always lived in parsonage, so church provided house, and यहाँ पर since we had access to a lot of musical instruments, and every Sunday तो हम गाते ही थे. तो I was always affiliated. I was always around musicians, singers and stuff like that. तो मेरा इंटरेस्ट था कि मुझे ड्रमर बनना है. Like I wanted to be a drummer when I grew up. So even now I say that my first love is the drums, and then only all the other instruments add in because of my curiosity in music. तो मैंने और बहुत सारे instruments मैंने सीख लिए. मतलब कैसा हो रहा था कि एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट दिखा तो आई वुड बी लाइक, ओके लेट्स जस्ट गो एंड ट्राई इट. आई मीन गलती करने में कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देयर विल बी ऑलवेज समवन टू करेक्ट इट. एंड आई वॉच्ड पीपल and if I had access to that instrument, तो मैं same जाके I would just try to replicate it, and that's how I learned instruments.
Right.
But everything changed when I was in college. जब भी मैं college में था तो तभी क्या हुआ कि a lot of people were smoking, and I think that would have been a major this thing. I also worked in a call center. तो वहाँ पर क्या होता था कि मेरा बॉडी का जो इम्यूनिटी है वो काफी कम हुआ था, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल ऑफ द स्मोक it entered my body, and I started to vomit every day when I came back home. I was not able to breathe. I had severe chronic back pain. तो अगर मुझे 20 मिनट ऐसा बैठना था, तो अगर बैठना होगा तो फिर मेरे को एटलीस्ट 4 घंटे मेरे को रेस्ट लेना पड़ता था. I had to really rest for 4 hours so that I can get like 20 minutes or 30 minutes of sitting time, and my mother will come and feed me food, and bas my day is over. So that's how my life kind of went back then. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, I was taken to the doctor, and when they found out all of this history and how it happened, they treated me. They did a lung surgery where they removed about half a liter of fluids जो accumulate हो चुका था. तो वो सब निकलने के बाद डॉक्टर्स ने बोला कि आपका जो लंग्स है, फेफड़े है, वो 60% ऑलमोस्ट लॉस हो चुके हैं. तो अभी बाकी के 40% से आप क्या कर सकते हो? यू विल हैव टू stay at home. You can't do much. And काफी सारे चीज बोले थे कि हारमोनिका नहीं बजा सकते, फ्लूट नहीं बजा सकते, and all that. Naturally, because I couldn't really do much. What I was aiming for in life at that time was that I should be able to breathe next. हाँ, मतलब मेरे लाइफ के जो भी ड्रीम्स थे वो सब क्रैश हो चुके थे. मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज था कि यार अगला ब्रेथ I should be able to consciously take it. So it was very difficult, not only for me but for my entire family and friends to see me go through that, and it was also a burden for them. But I would say that I had a lot of faith in God. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसके पीछे कुछ वजह रहेगा. There would be a purpose, and I really started to fight with God कि यार why did this happen in my life? मैंने तो कभी फूका ही नहीं सिगरेट. I mean, I don't drink alcohol. I mean, these are things which happens to a smoker's lungs.
Exactly.
And that is how I basically, you know, just when I was like praying, I was like, God, I want to do something new in 2016. So
Mm-hmm.
तभी I got a dream where God spoke to me and he was like, how about you take all the instruments that you play and put them together and play. तो एक एक पिक्चर था जो मैंने ड्रॉ किया था जब मैं 8 से 9 स्टैंडर्ड जा रहा था, एक गॉस्पेल क्रिश्चियन कैंप के लिए गया था। तो वो जो
Mm-hmm.
प्रचारक है उन्होंने बोला था सारे बच्चों लोगों को कि यार आप लोग ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ पर्सन दैट यू वांट टू बी लाइक। तो जब सब मेरे दोस्त लोग जो है अभिषेक बच्चन, सॉरी अमिताभ बच्चन, सचिन तेंदुलकर के फोटो वो मतलब ड्रॉ कर रहे थे क्योंकि दे वांटेड टू बी लाइक हिम, यू नो, अपने आइडल।
Right.
तो
Mm-hmm.
मेरा कोई आइडल नहीं था, मुझे पता नहीं
Mm-hmm.
था, मैं सिर्फ कार्टून देखता था और मैं सिर्फ मतलब डैडी न्यूज देखते थे तो उतना ही था मेरा। मैं कभी ज्यादा
Right.
कुछ मूवीज नहीं देखा था बचपन में।
Right.
तो मैंने ऐसे एक इमेजिनरी बंदे को ड्रॉ किया था कि व्हेन ही आई ड्रू अ मैन एंड दैट मैन इज वेरी टैलेंटेड इन माय हेड के आई ड्रू ऑल द इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स you know that I knew, saying that
Mm-hmm.
yes, this man can play the drums, the guitar, the keyboard, flute, saxophone, violin, ये वो and all of that. तो तब ही uh, we just prayed and we were like, okay, maybe if it is God's will, हम बोलते हैं ना अगर if it is God's will होगा। So we just
Exactly.
prayed and we closed, okay, and I'm not very religious so much, but I know that I have a lot of faith and everything. So
Right.
2015 में when I had this dream, God showed me about that picture. पता नहीं कहाँ से आया, but I saw it in the dream and सुबह I just shared it with my brother कि hey, I had a dream and I want to try something new. मतलब all these instruments I just saw that, put them together and play, and something tells me I should go and check a picture on Facebook. There's a picture like this, you know. So I went and checked. देखा तो actually मैं वो था, and वो picture मैंने actually Orkut में upload किया था पहले, and
अच्छा.
शायद Orkut जब बंद हो रहा था तभी मैंने सारे पिक्चर्स डाउनलोड करके मैंने फेसबुक पे अपलोड कर दिया था। तो
Okay.
दैट इज हाउ दैट पिक्चर मेड इट टू फेसबुक, अदरवाइज इवन आई वुड हैव नो मेमोरी ऑफ इट। एंड
Exactly.
फिर क्या हुआ कि हमने बहुत प्रे किया कि ये इज दिस व्हाट आई शुड बी डूइंग, क्योंकि आई कांट रियली ब्रीथ, सो व्हाट
Exactly.
क्रेजी थिंग इज कमिंग टू माय हेड।
So
But you
true.
know, sometimes you know that when God speaks to you, it is right. I mean, He wants you to do it. And I
Exactly.
was like, yes, Jesus, I'm going to do it, and let's see where this goes. And 5 years down the line, this is what's happening. My intention तभी था कि yes, I want to do something new in 2016, um, but I did not know this was it. And when it was 2016 February, we made it, and तभी भी मुझे एक purpose. I wanted to fit a purpose into this. I didn't want to be a joker carrying all the instruments and playing. I didn't want to do it
Right.
without a purpose. तो मैंने क्या बोला था कि मैं इसमें से बहुत सारे पैसे कमाऊंगा एंड आई वांट टू हेल्प पीपल हु आर आल्सो अफेक्टेड, क्योंकि मैं साइन हॉस्पिटल में था एंड आई सॉ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वहां पर हु आर जस्ट डाइंग। लाइक आई वाज लकी दैट people were there for me, but there were a lot of people who were not there for it, and
Right.
probably they did not have any money and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, yeah, I will make money, and if I can, I will provide. And वो intention था, लेकिन मैंने जब भी अपना पहला शो किया था, सबसे पहला शो यूरोपियन नेशन के लिए, मतलब यूरोप डे के लिए मैंने बजाया था, एंड देयर वर प्रेसिडेंट्स एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स एंड एम्बेसडर्स, सारे जन मेरे सामने थे। मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि ये सब होगा, but that was my first show as a one man band, and on the stage तभी मुझे purpose पता चला कि why I should be doing this, you know. I prayed on stage क्योंकि उन्होंने second गाना पूछा, and मैंने तो एक ही गाना prepare किया था, तो second गाना
Right.
I was like, oh no,
Oh my
अभी क्या,
God.
what now? And
Okay.
I was like, Jesus, I have no idea what to do, please tell me what to do, you know. I really heard God's voice saying that share what happened in your life, how you kept your faith, and how you have become something else, and and sing the song that touched you. And the song that spoke to me was a song called Amazing Grace. The lyrics go like, Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I can see. So God actually changed my entire life, and that is the song that touched me. तो
Right.
उसी दिन मुझे पता चला कि मेरा पर्पस क्या है इस वन मैन बैंड के थ्रू. And it's been 5 years. It has been really an amazing journey. I might not be so popular, but everywhere I have played, right, I have been able to share my testimony, my journey, that I never gave up. I trusted God when I was at my weakest. And you should trust God too. And also, you should always follow your passion. And
Right.
I followed mine. So this is not the result of my hard work. This is the result of me trusting God.
Trusting and trusting your intuition as well, right? Like जो आपको लगता है कि this is what I should do. And I think you said you are not popular, but I think you are popular, Gladson, because you're on a lot of social media platforms. And what is the best part, that somehow you are an inspiration, right? Because एक ऐसी आपको डिजीज है, उसको आपने हराने के बाद यू हैव अ पैशन, एंड समहाउ वो पैशन भी ऐसा है जिसमें आपका लंग्स का मेजर यूज होना है, राइट? बिकॉज जब आप इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, अब कई इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स ऐसे हैं दैट आई वाज चेकिंग जो आप प्ले करते हो, जिसमें बहुत ज्यादा आपका लंग्स का डेफिनेटली यूज होता है, आपका ब्रीदिंग का. तो आई थिंक मतलब इट्स टोटली इंस्पायरिंग जब मैंने पूरा वो स्टोरी पढ़ा. एंड तो आपका TEDx भी मैंने देखा, that was also really inspiring. So I think more than being popular, I think how many lives you touch, that is much more important. So I think when you genuine way में आप लोगों की लाइफ को impact करते हो, उनको touch करते हो, that is much more important than just being popular, right? So I think you are doing amazing.
Thank you.
Right. And Gladson, my next question is like, हम जब plan करते हैं कि this is what I want to do, like आपने अपने brother के साथ share किया. So how supportive your family is? आपकी family ने कितना support किया कि this is something you want to pursue, इसका कोई scope है, career है, आप क्या करना चाहते हो? So what was their reaction?
Music ऐसा field है ना कि इंडिया में तो even now to jump in as a career, मैं खुद ही नहीं recommend करूँगा जब तक you don't have a strong willpower to actually stay in. I think I am where I am because I do something different and I have persevered.
Exactly.
So my family was 100% supportive. कैसा है कि मैं जब भी कॉलेज में ही था, मैंने बहुत सारे शोज किए, तो तभी एक ऑडियंस बेस हो चुका था ऑलरेडी, मतलब फैन बेस हो चुका था कि हाँ, ग्लैडसन का म्यूजिक ऐसा है, ये ऐसा करता है, वो ऐसा करता है. आई डिडंट हैव वन मैन बैंड एट दैट टाइम, लेकिन इट वाज वेरी डिफरेंट. सो यस, मतलब उसके बाद भी मेरे पेरेंट्स बोले कि यार यू शुड ट्राई गेटिंग अ जॉब. मैंने खैर जॉब भी किया है. मैं म्यूजिक टीचर था, मैं स्कूल में सिखाता था, घर जाके सिखाता था. एंड मैंने काफ़ी सारे दूसरे जॉब्स भी किए हैं. एंड जब तक मेरे शोज नहीं बढ़े तब तक मैंने तो अपना म्यूजिक फुल टाइम नहीं किया. बट व्हेन आई डिड, इवन आफ्टर दैट, आई वुडंट से इट इज द स्वीटेस्ट रोड. कभी कभार ऐसे होता है कि काम मिलता ही नहीं है. तो एंड स्पेशली एवरीवन, मतलब लॉकडाउन के टाइम तो सबकी सेम हालत.
एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री एंड आर्टिस्ट सबसे ज्यादा इस बात से अफेक्ट हुए थे.
जी जी. So my parents have been supportive, and yes, I am doing my best to keep up.
Definitely. So I just basically, my next question is like, after family support, so I just want to know what are your upcoming plans? Like, what is your vision in this particular field? Because आपने अभी तक बहुत सारे shows किए हैं international level पे, Gladson, you have, performed. So what are your upcoming plans?
So my journey as a one man band wasn't planned at all. ये कभी प्लान में नहीं था और मुझे पता नहीं कि अगला स्टेप क्या है. खैर, I always like to keep an aim, and right now my current aim is that I have already finished making 3 डिजाइन्स। तो सबसे पहला मैंने 2016 में एक डिज़ाइन बनाया था, वो 25 किलोस का था, स्टेनलेस स्टील में
ओके।
बनाया था। 13 इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होस्ट करते थे।
हम्म।
सेकेंड जो सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स था वो 14 इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स सबसे मैक्सिमम थे मेरे पास। वो खैर 27 इंस्ट्रूमेंट 27 केजीज के हो गए। And
ओके।
I wanted to make sure I wanted to get into quality music because तब तक कैसा था कि it was a novelty कि हाँ, yes, it is very different, and for 3 to 4 years I always performed that. But I'm a musician. I'm someone who really wants to make some serious music, and
राइट।
I wanted to lighten the weight of my instruments, and that's how I made my third instrument that came up to a dry weight of 15 kilos. And currently, with all the gadgets, I use a few gadgets on it ताकि sound enhance होए, and that comes to about 20 kgs. तो मेरा future का जो plans है वो ऐसा ही है कि I want to make it better. And I know that now a lot more people are watching my videos, and it's going. I think the Vande Mataram video has already crossed more than 25 million views in across all platforms. And so I know that a lot of people are watching right now. So I want to give better quality. So right now I'm just aiming on that. I don't know how it's going to be because we have been drawing and we have been trying to make changes to our current instruments. तो बस quality में बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दो. Like for example, if I invested 10 rupees into something before, I got the sound of say 20 rupees, but now I'm more like I want to put like 50 rupees and get more, like 100 rupees or something. And that's the kind of quality I'm talking about. So बहुत ज़्यादा R&D कर रहा हूँ मैं मेरे भाइयों और मेरी टीम के साथ. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि क्या हो सकता है. तो as of now I have no surety कि मतलब exactly क्या आने वाला है, लेकिन the project is on. तो जब ये आएगा सबको definitely पता चलेगा.
Great. So glad that you were sharing about your instrument, right? So I saw the setup and it's quite heavy, है ना? उसको carry करना काफी मुश्किल है. So वो जो instrument का alignment है, so is there anyone who is guiding you or who is helping you, or it is you only? आप जो उसका पूरा setup ready करते हो, उनको align करते हो आपस में everything. So it's kind of one man band के साथ one man army भी आप ही हो उसमें?
That is unfortunately not possible. Everything cannot be done by me. I have my team, and they are always there to kind of help me with that. Because someone has to put it on me, help me to brace it on me. So I'm trying to work ways where I can eliminate that and I can do it on my own. But I think it'll happen. I'm sure. But right now, no, I'm not doing everything on my own. I just play everything on my own.
Okay, all right. And Gurpreet, one of my student, he's asking कि अगर कोई आप song सुना सकते या फिर instrument play कर सकते गुलाबी आंखें पे. He is texting again
Okay.
and again.
So I have my ukulele ready with me.
Okay.
If not, I will instead of singing, I will play something.
Okay.
Yes, let me just. Yep. So this is a lot of people ask me, to teach them, and and it is impossible to learn a lot of instruments just like that. But it is not difficult to try music, and one of the best ways you can enter into the field of music is via this instrument, which is called the ukulele. तो मेरा एक पेज है, मैं एक म्यूजिक स्कूल रन करता हूँ जहाँ पर हम इस इंस्ट्रूमेंट को सिखाते हैं. सो इंडिया में खैर I think it's been like 8 years, and I'm one of those first people who started playing this instrument here पर in India. I do something very different with this instrument. It's called fingerstyle. So I make my instrument sing. Okay, so you can hear the background and the melody and everything together at the same time. I'll play one of my favorite songs. This is one of the first songs that I actually arranged. मैंने खुद arrange किया था. तो इसका नाम है कहीं तो होगी वो। Yep, that's my rendition of
Great,
कहीं तो होगी
great.
वो।
Really, बहुत amazing, and it was really wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Great, great. So you can share more details there, how people can contact you and where you, teach all these things.
So I have a page. तो मेरे Insta के bio में there is a page where it is attached at UK Experience करके. UK Experience is the name. So you can learn at UK Experience, and there we especially teach music. I mean, anyone who wants to learn music, we teach ukulele, keyboard, guitar. वो तो सारे जनी सिखाते हैं, but we are specially aiming at ukulele because it's very easy, it's very non-intimidating and everything. So yes, if you want to get in touch, the link is in my bio, or you can always DM me. I'll be there to guide.
Great. So is it like kind of online sessions you provide, or
Yes.
it's more like online sessions?
Yes, it's an online session because of which a lot of people can just take a lesson from anywhere they are, and we also have a lot of workshops, and in the workshops, yes, you can get to learn like 3 to 4 songs within 1.5 hour. And no one,
Seriously?
and if you have not learned music also, it's possible. That's how we teach.
Okay.
Yeah.
मतलब अभी तो मुझे भी inspiration मिल रहा है कि I would love to try this instrument, and I would love to play this
Definitely.
because the way you are sharing कि बहुत easy है, so I think I should definitely try my hands on this
100%.
instrument.
Definitely.
Great. Can you play your favorite instrument, or can any other instrument?
Any other instrument?
Right. Or like your favorite जो भी आप play करना चाहते हो.
Do I have it? Yes, I have the Chinese flute. It's not a
Alright.
Chinese flute. It's called, what is it called? I keep forgetting a lot of names like that. But a lot of people have not heard this. So I don't think I've really played any tune, but because I'm still exploring this instrument, and मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ homework नहीं किया. But this is what it sounds like. So
Okay.
So this was a gift to me by my one of my closest Chinese friends.
Okay.
So when I was coming back from China, तभी उन्होंने बोला कि Gladson, you have to take something very special from China, and I know what to gift you best. So I'm gonna add one more instrument to your 45 instrument. So इसका नाम यार भूल गया. But okay, this is how it sounds. Is it sounding all right, or am I doing something wrong? Okay. what is special. If I open
Okay.
another side over here, you listen to
Uh-huh.
one more sound.
Okay. Amazing.
Now I'll open the other side.
Okay.
Yep. So this is one of my
Great.
favorite instruments. Thanks, Roldy. Yeah, he suggested this. So
Awesome.
yeah.
So I think we have covered almost a lot of questions as well, and people are sending a lot of love here.
Thank you.
So I think it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much, Gladson Peter, for joining this live session. And बहुत सारी आपने discussion की हमारे साथ. You know, like in a very humble manner, you shared so many good things. So yes, this means a lot to me. And
Thanks.
thank you for all your time. I was in touch with one of your teammates, Abner, and
Abner, yeah.
मैं बार-बार उनसे पूछ रही थी कि कब time है, कब availability है. I would love to interview Gladson, and he was like कि next करते हैं, next इस तरीके से करते हैं. But today it happened, and I really loved it. And I just want to wish you all the very best for all your future projects. And whenever you are planning to come to Chandigarh or Punjab side, जब भी आना हुआ, so yes, do let me know.
Definitely.
Would love to meet you in person as well.
Absolutely. Thank you so much once again for having me on the show and for all the questions. They were very insightful. And thank you, each and everyone in the audience, because if we don't have audience, we both just be talking.
Exactly.
And it might, not be so useful. So thank you to each and everyone who have joined. And please follow Gurmeet. She has such an amazing Insta handle. It says Boss Lady. So, so really appreciate it. This was the 77th session.
Yes, this is the 77th session, and prior to this, I have interviewed few Bollywood celebs also. So this
Amazing.
is also my passion, Gladson, that I love to interview people, those who follow their passion, those who do something out of the box.
Absolutely.
So yes, that is the purpose of my show is.
Thank you so much once again for having me. It's been a pleasure talking to you, and I'm looking forward to coming to your city, and that time we'll definitely
Sure.
do something.
Definitely. All right. So thank you so much, Peter. So wishing you all the best and hope to see you very soon. Okay,
Thank
bye-bye.
you.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
So yes, so hope to see you very, very soon, all of you, with a new guest, with some new things, concepts, and maybe with a lot of fun discussion. So thank you everyone for joining this session. It's a goodbye from my end. Good night, everyone. Take care of yourself and Shubh Ratri. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone.